everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to reverse a receipt in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in into Fresa application. After a successful login, this is how our dashboard looks. Now go to the Accounts module. From the Accounts module, select the Reversal Vouchers menu. On this Reversal Vouchers list page, select the voucher type as Receipt Voucher. And click Submit. Here, all the posted vouchers will be displayed on the screen. Select a particular voucher and click the Reverse option. Here, we can see the details of the selected voucher. Click the Next option to proceed further. Here we could see a confirmation screen. Now enter the reverse date, reason for reversing the voucher, and reversal password. Click Finish. Now the voucher has been successfully reversed. This is how to reverse a receipt in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.